Hi there, and welcome to this review on Selling with Confidence 2.0. Is Selling with Confidence a worth it course? And in this video, I'm going to answer all the burning questions that you may have. This is Rupesh, and these are the questions that we're going to be asking. Is it a scam? How does selling with confidence work? Is it worth buying into? And are there better alternatives? Now, as you're watching this video, I promise you, you're going to have all the information that you need to make an informed decision. But I recommend stick around till the end of this video. And that's because I have a free gift for you as well. So stick around for that. So the question that you're going to be asking right now is, so who am I and why should you listen to me? And that's a great question. So let me just tell you a little bit about me. I've been working in the make money online space since 2015. My name is Rupesh, and I was working in the health field. And one day I started hearing ringing noises in my ear. It's my one and only good ear, and I could not do my job properly. And even with the hearing aid, listening to music and watching movies, it was never the same. That was when I knew that I needed a backup plan. And that's when I decided to take the step and get into the make money online space. And this is where I am right now after all of these years. I am in the make money online space and have built an online business thanks to various platforms that I joined, various courses, learned so much over the years. And I guess I was meant to be here, and now I'm here speaking to you. Okay, so before we jump into the review of Selling with Confidence, my pledge to you is that I will do my best to provide you with my accurate, my honest and unbiased review so that you can make an informed decision on what to do. What is this program all about? What is Selling with Confidence all about? Well, the first is the core product is that it's a digital business educational course, and I'm going to talk more about that in the next slide. The core industry, it's within the online marketing and e-commerce space. And the core business model is multiple income streams. So we are talking 18 to 25 different ways to making money online. So here's what you actually get. The course was created by two sisters, Stephanie and Sabrina, and you get over 30 video modules with lifetime access, meaning you get future updates that's included within your membership fee. You also get access to a community of over 23,500 members, plus you get weekly coaching calls, and then the investment cost is $596, though sometimes can get it at a discounted price for $496. The bottom line, it's a complete system for building multiple income streams online, so it's not just one method. Now, what is online marketing and e-commerce all about? Now, online marketing is simply using platforms like Instagram, TikTok, email, and content creation to promote products and sales. And e-commerce is like I'm sure you're familiar with Amazon.com and e-commerce sites like that. It's buying and selling online, whether it can be physical products or digital products or services. So here's why it matters. These two industries are projected to reach over $6 trillion globally by 2026. So it's definitely a lucrative market to get into. And SWC 2.0 teaches you how to tap into both, giving you multiple ways to generate an income. So the question is, how does Selling with Confidence 2.0 work? Well, like we said earlier on, you're going to be learning multiple income streams. That's 18 to 25 plus different methods that's taught. And it's taught in a step-by-step fashion, as I mentioned to you, in 30 video modules. And you get lifetime training, so you get all future updates. You get new strategies as they add it. There's a community that you can join where, as I mentioned, there's 23,500 members for support, accountability. The good part is you can implement and you can choose which income streams fit your lifestyle. So if you have a job or you have any other commitments, there's various models that you can choose. You earn as an affiliate as well. You can also promote selling with confidence. Sorry, I wrote this success with confidence, but it's selling with confidence. I just want to give a disclaimer that I am not an affiliate for selling with confidence. So this is just my view of this program, and you can earn 80 to 95% if you are an affiliate on every sale that you make. And then you get done for your tools, you get pre-built affiliate funnels, email sequences, marketing materials, and as we said, there's live coaching as well. So you can attend live calls for guidance, there's Q&A and strategy updates. So now the big question is, this program a scam? Is selling with confidence a scam? My short answer is that no, it's not. And this is why I feel it's not a scam. Firstly, Stephanie and Sabrina are real people. And if you visit their website, you'll see they have proven track records and they've also got a lot of success stories. And you can find them, follow them, see their work. As I say, they have over 1,300 student testimonials from real people that are sharing their results. The business model is transparent, so you know exactly what you're paying for, what you're getting. There's no hidden fees or no surprise charges. Um, you also fourth, you will actually get the training over 30 modules of real content. This isn't just hype or empty promises. Fifth, the community is active. You get over 23,500 members that are engaging, learning, supporting each other. And this live weekly coaching calls, which trust me, any platform that offers these live coaching is totally worth the price. Now, here's the bottom line. This is a legitimate digital educational product, but your results will depend on obviously how much effort you put in the implementation that you do. No course can do the work for you. Okay, so now let's talk about the good parts and the bad parts about the program. The good parts is that you can learn earning from multiple income streams. So it's 18 to 25 plus different methods. You get a lifetime access, and there's a massive community that you can be a part of, which is excellent for accountability. It's excellent for throwing any ideas that you may have, looking for help, and all of that sort of thing. The bad parts of the program is, of course, the high price point. $596 is quite a high investment upfront. There might be a lot of information overload, too many options, and maybe you might be someone who might feel things are a bit overwhelming and find too many options. As a result, maybe hard to focus on one particular thing. There's no refunds, so you're not going to get any money back once you sign up. So here is my final verdict about selling with confidence. This is a solid, legitimate program with real value. Training is comprehensive. The community is active and the support is there. But, and this is really important, it requires work, patience, and commitment. No course will build your business for you. You have to show up, you have to do the work, and if you are ready to learn, to implement, and stay consistent, this could be exactly what you need to start building an income online. Now, are there better alternatives? Look, before I leave you, let me just talk to you about my recommendation, which is what I've been doing. It's called high ticket affiliate marketing, and it's simply a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. Some of the benefits of this business model is that it's not like any multi-level marketing or anything like that. You don't have to do any recruiting. You don't need to worry about any customer sales support or customer queries. You don't even have to own your own product. You can choose the products to promote, and it's 100% online. So you can work from anywhere in the world, even if you have a job or other commitments. And you can learn this business model, and you can practically do it whenever you have some free time. As I said, you can choose your hours, part-time or full-time. They are low startup cost, so it's a low-cost barrier entry business model. And it's also a beginner-friendly business model where you can learn and execute what's been taught. You don't really have to focus on volume to reach your income goal. Like I said, since it's high ticket affiliate marketing, it's just depending on what your goals are for the month. You maybe have to sell one or two or $3,000 products. It really depends on you. Other benefits, of course, you can build a business where you can earn passive income potential. And of course, with the income that's coming in, it can even come close to replacing your regular day job. So you have the ability to quit your day job and you get to create a life on your terms. You get time and location freedom. And this is what this business model offers. If you'd like to know on how you can go about and get started, it's as simple as grabbing my free gift. Um, it's waiting for you in the button comment, and this free gift is a lot of things. It's first of all, you're going to be getting access to 4 awesome masterclass videos from people who have earned 7 figures online using social media, and these are marketers where you can really learn these over 5 to 6 hours worth of training. In addition to that, you're gonna get my affiliate marketing business blueprint guide. It's gonna teach you all about the affiliate marketing business model, and something that will be quite insightful if you don't know much about the business model. And my favorite thing that you're going to be getting is you're going to be getting exclusive access to a 4-day workshop from my mentor, the person who taught me on how to build your online business with a solid foundation. So all of it is completely free. You don't have to spend a cent. Just click on the link that is in my pinned comment and you'll get access to that. Like and subscribe to keep up to date on what is happening in the world of online business. I hope that this video has helped you out. And if you have any questions or comment, please leave it down below and I promise I will get back to you. And let me know if you're going to go with Selling with Confidence, if you're thinking of signing up or what's on your mind, or if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Take care and goodbye.